Hi everyone, my name is Edukondala Chari. So I am from Andhra Pradesh, Prakasam District. I was in the business of the sales, like FMCG product I am selling. I have my own business, but after some time, like 2.5 years, I had some problem in my business. I should left my business. So after my friend recommended Baska Training because I am looking for the one corporate life. Like example, so if I do any job, I need a proof like 1 year, 1.5 year experience. If I can use that proof, then I can move into another job. So this type of confidence I want. My friend recommended to join Bhaskar Sar's Power Way training. So at that time, I have attended Bhaskar Sar demos class. That will be I think 1 week. So after 1 week, I got confidence because Bhaskar Sar explained each and every point, like from starting how a non-technical guy will enter into the software job and how the software industry life cycle, like from starting, how the real environment will be there. So Bhaskar Sar explained everything. That gives me a very confidence in the software industry. Whatever Bhaskar Sar is told, so I have followed each and every points. I have completed my course within the 3 months. And after that, I took 1 month gap. Then and they have provided guidance also. So how we need to prepare for the interviews. What are the questions we need to prepare. So and how we need to prepare the resumes. So everything, each and every point they have covered. And Bhaskar Sar in between also course, he needs wherever he have some time. So he will discuss about the interview process in important questions in the course. So helps me a lot to clear the interview. After 4 months, I got placed in very reputed company. After 1 week, I placed into a company. So my brother also placed, and because my brother and me both are completed the same course in the goonlinetraining training. So he also placed in very good product-based company. And now my family well settled. We constructed a house and we bought bikes and cars, each and every, and we got married and we have child also. My life running very smoothly now. And now I am working as a big data engineer, very reputed MNC company, and my brother also working in a very reputed product-based company in Bangalore. So I am working in Hyderabad. So now we are settled very well. So I want to tell one thing: if anyone junior or already working in the software several years, so anyone wants to switch from non-technical to technical or in technical also, nowadays data engineering is very famous and that is the future course, can say, because this is a AI-driven world. So in AI-driven world, data engineering very essential because we need to provide the proper data to the AI, because without that AI will not work, because AI don't clean anything. So we need to clean data properly. So based on the data, AI will work. The data engineer will play crucial role. So that's why I am very honestly recommending goonlinetraining is the only destination future data engineers. So highly recommend the course. So goonlinetraining highly recommended institution for data analytics and data engineering and big data engineering. I highly recommend this institute, and Bhaskar Sar will guide you from scratch. He will definitely help to grow your future. Thank you.